And if it would focus, that'd be great too. There we go.
Hello people. Today we're gonna do a caged bead. This is how it looks. Ah, damn it. Okay, this is how it looks. And we're gonna be using solder wire just for the simplicity of demonstration. In reality, you do not want to use solder wire because it is so soft you can literally rip it with your hands. But yeah, we're just gonna do it this way. So you want about 8 inches, and what you're gonna do is take your pliers gently, if you're using solder wire, gently start making a loop. We're gonna make a coil, and we can just do this with our fingers since it's so soft. And then you have to start on the other side as well. You want to keep in mind that you want to do a coil on the opposite side. So since this is going this way, you want this side to go this way. And so we're going to do that. We don't even need pliers. That's how soft this is. So now our wire looks like this. And what you're going to do is use your pliers to push up the coil the same direction for both, and then bend it so it looks like that, and then stretch it out. This is where we put in the bead, and I'm just compressing the wire so that it fits around the bead and actually acts like a pretty well fit cage. So what I'm doing now is straightening out an earring hook, as I demonstrated in my last video, and sliding that through the bead and the wire cage. I'm taking my pliers and bending it upwards in a 90-degree angle, grabbing that and bending it over with my fingers. There you have it. Your caged bead. It's perfect.